and presents put away. Don't be sad.
There'll be so much to treasure about this Christmas day and the fun we've had.
So many happy feelings to celebrate with you, and oh, the good times hurry by so fast.
But even when it's over, there's something you can do to make Christmas last. Keep Christmas with you all through the year. When Christmas is over, you can keep it near.
Think of this Christmas day when Christmas is far away.
Keep Christmas with you all through the year.
When Christmas is over, save some Christmas cheer.
These precious moments, hold them very dear.
And keep Christmas with you all through the year.
Christmas means the spirit of giving peace and joy to you.
The goodness of loving, the gladness of living.
These are Christmas too. So keep Christmas with you all through the year. When Christmas is over, save some Christmas cheer. These precious moments, hold them very dear. And keep Christmas with you all through the year. Yes, keep Christmas with you